Hi, Green. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you how to create shipping labels. Whenever we ship items into Amazon, Amazon wants us to tell them exactly what we're shipping in. And after we do that, they give us shipping labels, which then I send to our supplier. Then our supplier sticks these labels on the boxes that they send to Amazon. So I'm going to show you something very quickly. So here's what we're sending in to Amazon. We're sending by sea to Canada all of these, and we're sending by air cargo to the USA all of these, and by sea to the USA all of this. So we have to basically tell Amazon in Seller Central that we are sending all of this in. So the way we do that is, let's first start with Amazon um, uh, the USA by air. So we're sending 400 bamboo, 500 pink gift pouch, and 500 blue gift pouch. So what I like to do is I like to create a shipping label per shipping method. So although I could combine the USA shipping labels into one, since these are going to be arriving at much different times, I think it's more clean to have a separate shipping label, a shipping queue for air cargo, all of this, and by sea, all of this. Okay, so let's first create one for air cargo. So I go into my manage inventory in Seller Central. So we were shipping in for a bamboo, pink gift pouch, and blue gift pouch. So I go and find them each. So there's the bamboo. I tick that, and here's the pink gift pouch, and here's the blue gift pouch. Okay, so I've highlighted all three, as you can see. So what you then have to do is you click on here and you click send replenish inventory. Yeah, just click continue. Okay, so we always create a new shipping plan. We ship from our supplier's address, and here we ship as individual products always. So continue to shipping plan. So here is where we enter the units for the pink pen, blue pen, gift pouch, and bamboo. So we go over here. Bamboo was 400, pink was 500, blue was 500. So let's go back. This was 500, 500, and 400. Okay, so in total 1,400 units. Just make sure it's all correct. Yep. Let's go back. And then we always we prep the goods. So the merchant or the seller in Amazon.co.uk, they call it the seller. Same thing. Continue. We don't print any labels since our packaging has the label, so just ignore this bit and press continue. Okay, and now I want to give this a name that I can recognize down the line. So I like to keep the date on. So this was air cargo. Actually, you know what? Let's remove the name. Let's re remove the name, and this was air cargo. Blue, pink, bamboo. Okay, so yeah, just a nice clean name. Okay, then click approve shipment. Okay, so at this stage, you click on work on shipment. Okay, so this is what you see. Just leave this as it is. We are shipping in always small parcel deliveries. We use our own carrier, and it doesn't really matter which one you put down at this stage because we don't even know. But it's usually United Parcel Service, UPC. So just click on this one, United Parcel Service. Okay, and then you scroll down, and now we always like to ship in one SKU per box. We don't really combine the SKUs unless I tell you otherwise. So we just click on this one. Now here is Amazon. Amazon wants to tell them how exactly these are going to be shipped. So for the pink, are we going to ship all 500 in one box? Same for the blue, and for the bamboo. Well, what we always have is a packing list. So here is a packing list which I'll send you whenever you're doing a shipping label. So let's start with the bamboo. So for the bamboo pen, this column shows. Let's hide this quickly. Yeah, so here we go. So for the bamboo pen, as you can see, we have 100 pieces per carton. 100 pieces per carton. So since we're shipping in 400, so that would be 4 boxes of 100. Okay. Now for the blue, for the pens with pouch, we have 500 in one box, and same for the blue. So each one has 500. So as you can see, we've manufactured 1,500 blue pens. So the way the supplier has packaged them is each box or each carton has 500. So three boxes, 500 each. That makes 1,500. So for these, we just put all this in. Since we're only one box, and as you can see, the numbers match. Always make sure the numbers match, because what we don't want is to put in a different configuration to what we originally put in. And then Amazon also wants us to put in the box weight and the box dimensions. Now this is very important, because Amazon wants us to put it in for Amazon.com. It wants us to put it in as pounds and inches. Now the supplier always gives us the weight and dimensions in kilograms and centimeters. So we have to go ahead and convert it ourselves. For Amazon.co.uk and Amazon Canada, Amazon asks us the box weight in kilograms and the box dimensions in centimeters. So there's no conversion necessary for Canada and the UK, but for .com you must convert what we have from the supplier into the correct units. Okay, so the way I like to do this is just by going to Google. Okay, so for the pink pen, the weight is 14 kilograms. So I just like to go to Google and I write 14 kilograms to pounds, and it's 30.9. okay, 30.9. So I just put 30.9, and for the blue pen it's going to be the same. Yep, blue pen is going to No, sorry, that was the gift case. I made a mistake. Okay, so we're sending in the gift pouch. So that weight for both the pink pen and for the blue pen are both 19. Okay, so let's go back and type in 19. 41.9. Okay, so I go into Amazon and I type 41.9. 41.9. Now for the bamboo pen, we have it's 18 kilograms. Okay, so we go back to Google. 18 kilograms makes 39.7. So I type in 39.7. Now for the box dimensions, these boxes, they all measure. Ignore this as a mistake. They all should be 34, 34, 34, 34. So we have 45.5 by 41 by 34. So we have to convert all of these from centimeters to inches. So let's just go ahead. So the first one, let's just record 45.5. That was 17.9. So 17.9, and the next one was 41 and then 34. So 41, and that makes 16.1, and then 34. 13.4. Okay, just a minute. Okay. And it was the same for the blue pen. 17, what was it? 17, let's copy it in. Now for the bamboo pen, it was 37 by 31 by 27. That's the carton size. 37, 31, 27. So 37, 14.6. And then 37, then it was 37 and 31. $12.2, and then 27, it was 10.6. Okay, and we're done. So we just again double check that these quantities match the shipment quantities we originally put in, and then yeah, all looks good, all looks nice. So we click confirm. Okay, all done. Now here, ignore this. Okay, ignore this warning sign. So now is where we actually print off the box labels, and I like to use plain paper. So click plain paper and select print box labels. And once you've done that, just click on complete shipment and you're done. Okay, so here is the shipment now, and then here is the important part. Now we have the box label, and if you open it, this is what it looks like. Okay, so these are the labels that the supplier sends, sticks on the cartons. Okay, now as you can see, this bit over here is the SKU, is the actual product. So we are sending in bamboo, and the blue pen and the pink pen. So the supplier needs to stick on the right label on the right product, and the way to do that is by looking at the SKU. So if we go back to this product, so here were the SKUs that I put down. So the bamboo SKU is there, and there's the pink pen, there's the blue pen. So let's go back. So here is the first SKU, EI, and that was this. That was the pink pen. Okay, so we send this to the supplier, the SKUs, so that they know which label to use for which product. So there's the blue pen, there's the TO4ES3. That would be the blue pen, and since there are 4 cartons, 4 boxes for the bamboo pen, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 labels, and each label is unique. So save this file as a PDF, save it, and give it an appropriate name. In this case, USA Air Cargo shipping label, something very clear that is easily recognizable. So you save it and you send this file, these shipping labels, in an email along with this information, the FBA ID. Okay, so you go and you copy and paste the FBA ID and also the Amazon reference ID if that is given. Okay, it usually is. I'm not sure why it's not given here, but you basically give all of this and you along with the attachment. Okay, I hope that's all clear, I'll give you a small task soon where you can try this out yourself. Cool. Thank you.